So, what you need to make a sun oven is a regular box, but we're using a pizza box. Then you need some cling film, a ruler, a blade, a pen, and some scissors, and some aluminium foil.
Because there'll be some cutting, we have our mum to supervise us. So it's better if you have an adult to supervise you as well. So let's do this!
We cut the cardboard along 3 sides. We had to use our mum because of the cutting. We use aluminium foil as it helps reflect the light. We use it to cover the inside of the flap. You have to make sure the shiny side is facing outwards. Watcha go. We use the plastic wrap on the middle layer as it helps trap the air. This is very important to make sure the heat does not escape. Ta-da! Look at this final result. After waiting 3 days for the sun, we had a nice sunny day with the temperature rising to 26 degrees. That is hot. We placed the oven outside and placed a chocolate piece inside the oven. We used a twig to help support the lid. My sister slightly struggled to place the twig correctly, but Mum did it. To test the speed of cooking, we made another oven and placed a black sheet inside before placing the chocolate piece. We also placed a piece of chocolate in the direct sun. After 2 hours, the chocolate piece that was placed in the direct sun took very little time to melt. The one in the oven took 20 to 30 minutes more to melt as compared to the one in the direct sun. That must be yummy. And finally, the one with the black sheet took the same time as the one in the direct sun. So, to conclude, we felt that if we had used different food items to try, we would have seen a rather different result.
So, for the second experiment, we're going to be making a fire extinguisher.
So the materials you'll need is an empty bottle that hopefully has a little nostril, some baking soda, a measuring cup, vinegar, water, string and some tissue paper.
So let's do this.
For this experiment, we used equal amount of water and vinegar. Yes, it was slightly difficult to pour the water in the bottle. smell of vinegar is not the nicest of all. We then placed the baking soda in the tissue and rolled it up and tied it along with the thread. For this one, when we had to carefully put the tissue inside the bottle, we took our mum's help as we had to be extra careful with the tissue so that it did not touch the water and vinegar inside. Ugh, else it would have exploded. Now all that we needed was fire to see if the fire extinguisher worked. My mum made the fire in the cup by lighting some old newspaper. Here we go. We had to shake up the bottle with the lid on and spray it on the fire. The way it works is simple. When baking soda and vinegar mix, they react, which emits carbon dioxide. Now the fire itself needs three things: oxygen, fuel, and heat. So when the fire extinguisher is put on fire, it takes away the oxygen because carbon dioxide acts as a blanket between oxygen and fire. The water we mixed earlier helped bring the temperature down. And dear friends, that is how the fire is put down.
More than an experiment, this is more about learning facts about soil.
We used a glass jar to pour some of our garden soil in it. We then filled it with water. We mixed it well and waited for a day to let it set. As you can see, the particles have started to settle down. Right at the bottom, you have got the gravel. Just above that, you have got sand, and immediately above that, you have clay. And what you see at the top is humus, an organic matter. This humus is the one that feeds plants. Clay is responsible to trap the water in the soil for the roots. And finally, sand and gravel help drain the water quickly so that the roots don't rot. Now, there are three different types of soil: sandy loam, silty loam, and clay loam. We think ours is sandy loam due to the gritty particles we felt when we rubbed the soil in our hands.